Elavyn Lymphatic Drainage is marketed as a detox supplement that flushes toxins, reduces bloating, and restores your lymphatic system. But the real question is whether it actually detoxes your body or just sounds scientific. What Elavyn claims to do, according to its marketing, it's supposed to drain your lymphatic system, flush toxins and excess fluid, reduce swelling, puffiness, and bloating, improve energy and kidney function. Sounds impressive, but here's where things get tricky. What it actually does well may reduce mild bloating for some people. Ingredients like herbal extracts can have mild diuretic or anti-inflammatory effects, which might make you feel less bloated temporarily. Easy to use, liquid or supplement format, makes it simple to add into a routine where it falls apart. No real proof of detoxing your body. Your body already detoxes through the liver and kidneys naturally. There's no solid evidence that supplements like this can flush toxins better than your body already does. Lymphatic drainage claims are misleading. The lymphatic system is regulated by movement, hydration, muscle activity, not supplements. There's no strong clinical evidence that oral products can drain your lymph system. So is it real or fake? Bottom line, Elavyn Lymphatic Drainage isn't a total scam, but it's definitely overhyped detox marketing. It may give small, temporary effects, but the big promises, like flushing toxins or restoring lymphatic flow, aren't backed by solid science. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.